Today, I'll be telling you about 5 in-demand skills that you should consider going into in 2025. It will gladden your heart to know that I did a thorough research and I spoke with a number of people who are already into these skills and they had a lot to say about it. And I asked them some questions that they provided answers to. So let's start with the first one, which is digital marketing. But before we continue, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Susan and I am a data-driven virtual assistant, and you can look at my other videos and see how far I have come. Trust me, I am your go-to person. You should go through my videos. So let's continue. Digital marketing. And I happened to talk to Raf, and this is what Raf had to say. I started out as a network marketer. From here, I became a freelancer in digital marketing and website designing. Then I asked him of the duration. For someone who is just starting, what would you say to them? How many months do you think it will take for someone? This depends on a lot of factors, majorly ability to be teachable and personal development. Some take 3 months, others take 6, some others take 1 year. The major thing he's saying here is you need to be teachable and have the mind of growth. Some people do not have the mind to always finish what they start, so you will have to work on that before going into digital marketing. And then the third question I asked him was, is there a free platform where someone could learn this in a matter of 3 to 6 months and all that? And he said, YouTube is your friend. You shouldn't start by paying for courses. You should look into getting some videos on YouTube and start immediately. Just search on a digital marketing how to start and all beginner friendly, and you're going to come across so many videos that will put it on before you pay for mentorship. Second one I want to talk about is video production and editing. And I happened to talk to a friend called Felix, and this is what Felix had to say about video production and editing. He said many people think that video production and editing is a very difficult thing to do, but when you master the art, then be sure to make a living out of it. Do you know how many people are looking for people to edit and bring out the best out of their YouTube videos, even TikTok videos? And then I went ahead to ask him the duration, and this is what he had to say. I would say 3 to 6 months. Depends on your commitment and consistency. Remember, you determine your speed. Okay, you heard that. The next thing I asked was, what free platform do you think someone that is trying to go into video production and editing could try out? And he said YouTube. I think YouTube is the easiest place to access videos concerning all these courses. So that is it for video production and editing. So now the third one, which is data analytics. So I have the privilege to talk to you about data analytics because that is what I do. So I am in the best place to tell you how it is. Genuinely, it's something that I started this year, and I gave myself 3 months, 6 months, like that. I was just looking at it and I said at the end of the year I want to see how far I'll go and all. So I would say that it's a great opportunity because you don't just get to do the data analytics thing. You can just use your knowledge to do other things, because it's from data analytics I went into virtual, being a virtual assistant, and my knowledge in data analytics I applied it in data entry. You get it? So it's not majorly data analytics thing, because when people see the calculations it contains and or they get discouraged. So gaining that knowledge can help you even in your offices, in every department you are, in everything you do. You can apply your knowledge as a data analyst. So talking about the duration, it depends on you. I was persistent. I really wanted to do good at data analytics. Like I said in my previous videos, you can check them out above or somewhere in the description box. I started sometime in March, and look at me, it's December, and trust me, I'm not the same person that started. I know a lot right now and I am good at it. And talking about the free site, I started with YouTube, and you can also tell YouTube. YouTube is your friend. Please, YouTube is your brother, your sister, your friend. Please use YouTube to your advantage. And I would recommend Kenji. Kenji explains does it best. And then I can also talk about Abifair. Abifair will help you when it comes to statistics. I think that was how I started. I started with those two specifically. Then later on, I started with Alex, the analyst. And then I started paying for mentorship. And then I enrolled for women boot camps. And then that was how I started. So you need to start from somewhere, and that is you too. So the next one, that is the fourth one, right? The fourth one I'm talking about is UI UX design. I happened to talk to Jerry, and this was what he had to say about UI UX design. You need the knowledge of both, that is UI and UX. Many confuse them to be the same, but they are not. UI means user interface and UX means user experience. I would advise that you master both UI and UX. Then I asked him of free tools that can help someone who wants to go into it, and he was generous enough to send me a link that would help someone who is going into UI UX design. So you can check in my description and get access to it. And he also mentioned YouTube. You can take courses on YouTube freely before you start looking for courses on other websites. Talked about the duration, and he said the same thing, that it depends on you, your resilient spirit. That is all he had to say. The last one we'll be talking about, that is the fifth one, is social media management. Now, social media management, you'll be hearing about it. It simply means to handle social media platforms for organizations. That is the simplest definition I can give to you. So you will be in charge of their posts, the designs, and everything, customer support, and also you are managing either the site or the social media platform on behalf of the owner. So that is your work. And a free platform you can check that on or learn it, TikTok and YouTube. I'm saying that because I'm also into social media management, and I started with TikTok and YouTube. So you should look into that. Now, this, I'm not going to give you a particular time frame. So I would say set your target, because I think it's the simplest thing. It's not really difficult to learn. I learned it in just a month, and then I got a customer support job in the same month. So you need, that is me, I can't talk for you. So you need to set a target yourself and put all your effort, all your energy into winning. Now, the final thing I want to talk about is the final advice that I have for you. This is what we have to tell you as someone who wants to learn an in-demand skill in 2025. Have a strong why and make sure it can sustain your generation. Have a mentor you are willing to submit to. Develop a 3 and 6 years business goal and act towards achieving it. Be consistent regardless. Commitment can get you started, but without consistency, you can never finish. So that is what we have to tell you. So I hope you take to our advice and don't sleep in the coming year. Thank you so much for watching this video this far. My name is Susan, and trust me, my videos are videos you want to be watching. So look out for more and visit the ones I already have. Ciao!